Namaste and good morning everyone. My name is Naksh Gupta. Today for a special occasion of Independence Day, I would like to talk about something that makes our country unique and proud. Our national symbols. Our national symbols are not just pictures and things. They are the sign of our culture, history and unity. Our national flag. Our national flag is rectangular in shape with three colors in it. At the top, it's saffron. That signifies strength, courage, and sacrifice. At the middle, it's white. That signifies peace and truth. At the bottom, it's green. That signifies prosperity. The Ashoka Chakra in the center has 24 spokes in navy blue color. Our national flag was designed by Pengali Venkaiah. Our national emblem. Our national emblem is adopted from the lion capital of Ashoka from Sarnath. It has four lions standing back to back, symbolizing power, courage, confidence, and pride. However, three can be seen from the front. The circular base where the lions stand in the wheel is called in the center, where the bull and horse are side to side. The motto Satyam Jayate is written below it. Our national anthem. Our national anthem, Janagana Mana. The national anthem was adopted as our national anthem in 24 January 1950. The national song Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It is taken from his novel Anandamath. Our national animal is tiger, shows strength. Our national bird is peacock, shows beauty and grace. Our national flower is lotus. National symbol reminds us who we are and what do we stand for. On this Independence Day, let us promise to work hard and make our country proud. Jai Hind. Thank you.